This Yama glass stovetop coffee siphon is a unique kind of brewer, akin to something in a scientific laboratory. The vacuum-style brewer is as much a conversation piece as it is a quality coffee brewer. The Yama glass siphon brewer ships with one filter cloth, the filter assembly, a measuring spoon, the lid, stand, and the brewer itself. The 8-cup size specification refers to the Yama cup size, which measures about 3 to 4 ounces per cup. Warning: use extreme caution when heating with open flame. Directions for use: use a slightly finer grind of coffee than used for auto drip, however. You may experiment to taste. Drop the washable, reusable cloth-covered filter into the infusion chamber with the chain hanging down into the glass siphon tube. Pull the chain down until you can hook it to the bottom of the siphon tube. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Fill the bottom carafe to the 8-cup mark with hot water and place 8 measuring spoons of the coffee mark in the top chamber. Using the wire trivet between the coffee siphon and the burner, place the coffee siphon on the burner and turn it on to medium heat. Do not turn the burner on high as the water boils. It will be siphoned up to the top chamber where it will infuse with the ground coffee. A little water will always remain in the bottom water chamber. Let brew for about 60 seconds, then remove the pot from the heat source. Once the coffee starts to cool, the liquid is siphoned back down into the bottom carafe. Remove the top, place it in its convertible lid stand, and bring the pot to the table for serving. Gently rock the upper carafe back and forth until it can easily be removed and placed into its stand. Serve and enjoy your fresh, great-tasting coffee. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Yama Siphon brewed coffee produces a cleaner, richer, and smoother cup of coffee by maximizing the essential oils from the brew. Number 2. Large 8-cup capacity is perfect for serving the whole family. Number 3. Vacuum technology seals in the aroma and flavors, delivering on the true profile of your coffee. Number 4. Works on gas and electric range tops. Comes with wire diffuser for use on electric coil burners. Number 5. Premium handcrafted, hand-blown borosilicate glass is non-porous and does not absorb odors or chemicals, ensuring each brew is as fresh and pure as intended. Number 6. Includes reusable, washable cloth filters. The lid doubles as a siphon stand for post-brew. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.